AWS Lambda Layers allow you to package libraries and dependencies that you can use with your Lambda functions. Hi guys, this is Abi from GokceDB, and in this video, you're going to learn 7 things about Lambda Layers in AWS. Let's get into it. Number 1, a Lambda layer is a zip file archive that can contain libraries, custom runtime, data, or configuration files. Number 2, using layers reduces the size of uploaded deployment archives and makes it faster to deploy your code. Number 3, you can include up to 5 layers per function, but they do count towards the standard Lambda deployment size quotas. Number 4, when you include a Lambda layer in a function, the contents are extracted to the /opt directory in the execution environment. Number 5, if your functions consume a layer that a different account published, you can continue to use the layer version after it has been deleted or after your permission to access the layer has been revoked. Number 6, functions deployed as a container image do not use layers. Instead, you package your preferred runtime, libraries, and dependencies into the container image when you build it. Last but not the least, number 7, you can create layers using 4 ways: Lambda Console, Lambda API, AWS CloudFormation, and AWS Serverless Application Model. In summary, AWS Lambda Layer is a zip file archive that promotes code sharing and separation of responsibilities so you can iterate faster on writing business logic. There you have it. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Until next time.